Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I will do the tutorial for this hot chocolate box. So this is the box and it opens like this. So it has pretty place for you to put your goodies inside, and it has a shaker part on the top. And this is the die set. So you will have this one to cut one piece as the bottom of your box, and this one you cut one time to make the top of the box. And I want to make it a little thick, so I also cut a pattern paper, and these are actually to make the shakers, but I didn't want to make shaker this time, so I just slip this part. But if you want to make it into a shaker, then this one is to cut the foam to make the shaker portion, and this one is actually the cutout that you can put inside your shaker part. And if you want to cut the acetate paper, then use this one, and then fussy cut all these around. Then you will have your acetate paper, and then you have these 4 panels. So first you can see the size. So these 2 pieces are shorter, a little shorter than these 2 pieces. So these are for one side and these are for the other one. And these 2 longer panels are for the size of the top of your box. And these 2 are for the size of your bottom of your box. Oh, I forgot these 2 parts. So you will also get these 2 parts in your set, and this creates the size of this part. I have cut all these out, and because I have cut them in the same pattern, so I need to measure it first to see which one is the topper part and which one is the is the bottom part. Okay, so these are the longer ones, and so they are for the topper parts. So this is the cut base, and there is all these stitching lines around, so you can fold it and stick all these parts here. And fold these around the stitching lines. So you have this part to glue at this part. So the bottom box is ready, and if you want, you can cut this one in pattern paper and then layer it over here. So you want to see all these flaps inside, and let's do the top part. So first I will cut this over to add the pattern paper over here. And then fold all these flaps, and also there are all these stitching lines around, so you also fold around the stitching line. So you need to stitch this glue flap here. So it looks like this, and then stick all these flaps like this. So it will hide all the flaps and it will look like this. And then glue this part here. And at the end, there is a flap here, so you need to glue it like this. And here is another glue flap that you need to stick it over here, so the parts will all connected. So this part is ready. And now stick these two sides here to make the top box. And so you need to glue this part over here. And also there is a glue flap at the end. So this part, glue it over here. So all this part will be connected. So the top part is ready and the bottom part is ready. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So this is not hard to make. Just need some time, and I think that is very cute. And you can add a bow here, or yeah, you can decorate with the shaker part or not. You can make it flat and add some embellishment over here, and I think that's super cute. Okay, so this verse is a little large, but I think yeah, you can add it on the top, right? Very cute. I love this font. So this is a die from the KSCRAFT store, and they have some very fun Valentine dies in the store, and you can check their store. So the tutorial for this box is ready, and if you have any parts that you are still not clear, please leave me comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.